Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to unlock your Nissan Maxima with a dead battery. First, find the small, hidden mechanical key inside your key fob. This key is essential for manual entry when the electronic system isn't working. Once you have the key, insert it into the keyhole on the driver's side door handle. Turn the key firmly counterclockwise to disengage the lock mechanism. You should hear a click as the door unlocks, allowing you to gain access to your vehicle. Now that you're inside, the next step is to open the hood to access the battery. Sit comfortably in the driver's seat. Look down and to your left, near the door sill or kick panel, you'll find a small lever, often marked with a car hood icon. This is your hood release. Pull this lever firmly towards you. You should hear a distinct thunk sound from the front of the car, indicating the hood has partially released. Exit the car and proceed to the front. With the hood partially open, gently lift it a few inches and locate the secondary safety latch, usually in the center. Push this latch to the side or up to fully open the hood. Now, find your Maxima's battery, typically located on the passenger side under a plastic cover. Connect the positive, or red, jumper cable to the positive terminal of your dead battery. Then, connect the other end of the red cable to the positive terminal of a working battery. Follow with the negative, or black cable. After connecting the positive cables, attach the negative, or black, cable to the negative terminal of the working battery. Then, connect the other end of the black cable to an unpainted metal surface on your Maxima's engine block, away from the battery. Start the assisting vehicle and let it run for about 5 minutes. Then, try to start your Nissan Maxima. Once it starts, remove the cables in reverse order. Drive your car for at least 20 minutes to help recharge the battery.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.